So if you ever wondered what I do for work, these are actually the three brands I work for: Lightspeed, Quintana, Obed. That's why I have a Lightspeed gravel bike. It's why I have a Quintana road bike. And this right here is a bike that I've been working on. This actually isn't my bike. This is a bike for Ben Delaney. If you're familiar, he reviews a ton of bikes on YouTube, mostly gravel bikes. And he's going to be reviewing this new gravel bike that Obed's launching. This is like a bike that I've been thinking about a lot. It has a lot of elements that I want in my own sort of dream gravel race bike. Oh, fuck. This looks sick. This is the first like painted production version I've seen. And I gotta build this up super fast because Ben's coming to my house in like 20 minutes to pick this thing up, and I've just been lazy and left it in the box like all week. Okay, let's get this for the fork. Get some scissors too. One thing I like about this, does look like a lot of butcher paper, but butcher paper, it's useful and you can recycle it. I really prefer it to foam. Okay. I'll get this zip tie right here. There's probably a second, yeah, there's a second one right here. This thing's got the new-ish 13-speed Red Explorer. Pretty cool. I'm a fan. Let's see. Yeah, I really should have been smart and built this up during the week instead of waiting till right before he messaged me he was coming. Okay. Oh, sick. That's a... So this bike's got the DT Swiss F132-1 gravel suspension fork. So Obed and Lightspeed are actually the first OEMs bringing this fork to North America. Up until now, it's only been available in Europe. I'm gonna build up a new gravel bike soonish, and I might actually spec it with this fork. Okay, let's get the front wheel on first. Got some DT GRC 1100s. So they're like top end aero gravel wheel. Get this little hub protector off. Toss that back in there. Leave this here for now. I need a 6mm. Yep. Cool. Give it a little snug. Oh man. That is sick looking. So this is the new Obed GVR. It's the second generation of this bike. It's got more tire clearance. That was the big thing I kept annoying Brad, our lead engineer, about, was gravel bikes need more tire clearance. So this thing clears 2.2 mountain bike tires. It's got 56mm of clearance in the back. Let's see if I can see it right there. Yeah, this is a 50mm tire. We spec'd it with a 50mm here because the DT fork, the official max, is 50mm. So we just matched it front and rear. But I have seen people fit bigger tires on this thing, and there's definitely space to fit a 2.2 in there, so whatever. Ben will be fine. Let's see. There is a little carbon paste on this already. Maybe I'll add a little of my own though, just to be extra sure. Let's see. And besides tire clearance though, the big thing, oh, there's plenty of carbon paste in here. Besides tire clearance though, the big thing with this bike is the aero frame shaping. So it's got this super like wide truncated airfoil down tube. Man, it's wide, you know, designed to like smooth the airflow coming off like wide gravel tires. The rigid fork is extra wide too, so it like opens up some more airflow between the front tire and the fork blades. And then besides being aero, it's pretty darn light too. Holy crap, this bike looks good. Look at this. So it's everything I wanted. Wide tire clearance, aero frame, really darn light. It's really cool too. You've got 6 bottle cage mounts on the down tube, 3 on the C tube. You've got this accessory mount down there, top tube bag mount, another accessory mount down here. Oh, and this is some burly frame protection too. You can fit 3 bottles. You could fit, I'd probably put a pump there. I mean, it works with a 2x. There aren't many bikes that can fit tires this big that can also run a 2x. This, there's some scratches on this thing. This thing was raced already at Transcordilleras, the gravel stage race in Colombia. My coworker Austin raced it there to like give it its like maiden voyage, and he did pretty well. I think he placed in the top 10 overall. He got a podium on the final stage, so kind of already a proven bike, which is really cool. I'm like so stoked with the paint. We went through so many iterations of like different paint schemes, and we're bringing out all these new colors too that I have spent so long looking at. They're all like really fancy automotive paints that like Aston Martin, Bentley, Porsche, Ferrari, they all use. I gotta pick it up. Damn. Oh wow, it's a lot lighter than my bike. I mean, I'd consider riding it. You know, I'm a big fan of titanium, but you know, I wouldn't say no to this bike. I hope Ben likes it.